Hello YouTube, my name is Susan. I am the Portland makeup girl. I want to show you guys how I got this look today. It's so pretty, it's so glam, it like feeds my inner like rave girl so much. This glitter is so easy to apply. Your mind is going to be blown by how easy it is. So if you want to see how I do this, then stay tuned. Before I start this video, I really want to tell you guys about my favorite book ever that I feel like every person in this whole world should read. I'm on my third time reading it. I just bought it in an audiobook so that I can just like listen to it now and just let it like download. But it's called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is so old. It's like literally, I think it was written in like the 70s, but still applies so much to the way we live our lives now. And it's just filled with stories about people who were just in their ultimate low of life, and they just believed in themselves and they achieved like the most amazing things that are in our world right now. So I want to empower all of you to go read it, go buy an audiobook, surround yourself with it, listen to it all day long, change your mindset, and live a happier life. Because I can't tell you guys the difference between my life now and my life even 6 months ago. And I wouldn't say like, oh my gosh, like I just read this book and like all of these things happened for me. No, I read the book, I ignored it, read the book again, I didn't listen and didn't apply any of the things in my life. And then I just had so many bad things happen to me, and out of nowhere, I just started, without even realizing it, adapting the philosophies to my life. And like literally, I can't tell you guys like how different I feel now. And not even like, I'm not even saying like, oh, like everything's different in my life. No, I just feel amazing. I feel so happy. I feel like for the first time in like literally my whole life, like I can say that I know what true happiness feels like. And that's just like so weird to be like, I'm 28 and I know what happiness feels like now. And yeah, I want to inspire everyone to go read that book. I have a lot of books that I'm obsessed with, but that's like literally my all-time favorite book. Yeah, that's all I want to say. That's all I'm gonna like hound you with today. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Like and subscribe. Right, so I started my little makeup routine off with some moisturizer, some oils, some primer, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes first. So I'm trying out these little eye pad thingies. So you just kind of peel off the back, and we are just gonna, I'm gonna be working with glitter today, so I don't want to get any anywhere. Cute. There's nothing like a new Shape Tape, right? You guys, I got something else new. This little guy is like literally like the love of my life. I love this thing. So I'm just gonna prime my eyeshadow with a little concealer. My eyes are like super veiny, so I always put concealer down first. Next, I'm just going to take a little face powder and just throw it right on top. So I'm going to be taking my bronzer and just doing my crease. I'm trying this Urban Decay Heavy Metal. Have you guys seen this? I saw this on this girl I follow on Instagram, Jenny. I forgot her last name, but I love her. She was wearing like the white glitter one, and I was like, need. So yeah, I'm just literally going to put this on my fingers and just like dab it on my eye. It is so pretty. It's like super thick. Like, are you kidding me? That's so pretty. Guys, I haven't even gone in for more yet. I'm just like using what's on my finger. Wow, this is like amazing product. I don't know if I showed you the bottle, but this is the bottle of the one that I have, and I have shade Saturday Stardust, which is so cute. I'm totally someone that is easily impressed by glitter, but it is really, really hard to find a really good glitter. So take that how you will, but I have tried a lot of glitters in my day, and normally they're like too greasy and like you put your finger in them and then like none of the glitter actually goes on your face, but this was like so easy. We're gonna move on, even though I just want to sit here and stare at the glitter. I'm gonna be trying the It CC cream, which, disclaimer, I've already tried twice and I am so obsessed. Like, this is just a CC cream. This is just a CC cream, does not have any foundation in it, has 50 SPF. Let's read about it. I actually have two shades because I like to use like a darker one and then a lighter one as like a highlighter. Let's see. Clinically shown results, 179% of skin hydration, 96 saw softer, smoother skin, 85% saw an improved in the appearance of wrinkles, 77% said smaller pores. So it says in the back, apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply every 2 hours, use a water-resistant sunscreen if you're swimming, blah 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 blah. So yeah, that's all we need to know, but let me just show you guys how much coverage it has, and it literally feels like you're wearing nothing. Are you kidding me? Look at that. You guys, this is a CC cream. What? And I'm just applying it with my fingers. I feel like people get so fancy these days with brushes, but like your fingers warm the product up and you can just like get everywhere. And I can recognize this is a little too yellow for me. I'll say it, but they don't have a lot of color options. So we're just gonna work with it. I don't know why I don't have like a normal size beauty blender over here, so I'm just gonna use my teeny one and go all over my face. So be back in 6 hours. All right, now I'm gonna take my lighter one and just do a little highlighting. Okay, I don't know how necessary this step is, but I'm just gonna take a little concealer, just do a little bloop. Just for that added little highlight. my neighbor's like doing hardcore construction right now. Okay, I am satisfied with that. I am like thoroughly impressed that I'm not wearing any foundation right now. Just gonna take some translucent powder. And I love just how like naturally like shiny looking this is. Like I feel like it looks like skin, right? Like doesn't it just look like skin instead of like a heavy foundation? Next I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer and do some little bronzing. All right, next I'm going to do some blush. I know I've talked about this before, but I'm still so obsessed with the ColourPop blush sticks. I'm going to be using shade Mini Me, and I just rub some on the back of my hand like that. Just go crazy. And then I rub my fingers on it and just tap. I feel like it just adds like a natural kind of flush to the cheeks. Just kind of add it everywhere that I added bronzer, so that way, like my skin, you can tell, is just naturally more red. So I feel like the more I kind of get blush everywhere, the more it just kind of like vibes. And I always go kind of through here because that's where the sun would hit. I'm not going to do any actual baking today, but I am going to take some powder and I'm just going to kind of rub it right here. That did a big difference, right? I always use the Maybelline Fit Me powder for this because I feel like it's like the whitest. With my angled brush, I'm going to go ahead and stamp a little eyeliner line on there with shadow, and I'll be right back. I went ahead and did my line. I also topped it with some liner. On the bottom, I added just the same bronzer that was already on the top. And now I'm gonna take some highlighter and do my inner corner. I'm gonna take that same highlighter, and it's just the Napoleon Hill, her loose pigments. Just kind of highlight everywhere. And I like to just use my finger with highlighter. That way it goes where I want it to go. You guys, do I whisper like literally my whole life? I don't know. I've noticed I really whisper a lot on here. All right, for lips, I'm going to be using my Diva Lacquer by Sugar Skull Cosmetics in the shade Twirl. This guy right here. I love this shade. It's so girly. Have you guys tried this lip gloss yet? It's the Kapari one. It smells so good. It's just like a chapstick, I think, but it's really glossy. All right, my setting spray today is the Morphe mattifying continuous setting spray. All right, guys, that's the end of this. I hope you saw how easy that was. Literally anyone could do this. I hope you try something new. Yeah, I hope you guys all figure out ways to live the best life that you can live and find your own happiness, because that's literally the most important thing in life, is just being truly, truly happy. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Have a great day. Bye.